there's the exhaust pipe and the old muffler that I jerked off this thing when I was pulling into the garage. It hooked over the concrete and jerked it out. Now I got this muffler here. That was a cheap online order, like $25 free shipping, that I may be able to use. So I'm going to take and cut that muffler off the end, put the pipe up there and see what it looks like, and see maybe where I can position that round muffler. Yeah, hang on. Let's get him. Somewhere. Might have to edit that. So I ain't got I don't have a pipe bender, and I'm trying to take the pipe I've got here and just kind of weld it, make it work to put them up on for now. And I've took this and I've cut it. If you can see this, I don't know if you can see. I'll hang the light up here in a minute. But I'm cutting this. I had to cut this section out to bring this in closer so it'll fit right here in this dip in my cross member. So I've got this first part cut. I'm going to put it up and mark it, and I'm going to tack it, and then just kind of keep cutting it and shaping it the way I need it. Well, if we got it close, that'd be good enough. Let's get it close. You know what I mean? It'd be way better than where it was. It was way off. Way off. Woo, it's hot. you know, at least now we want to kind of come out and come into the center of this. Like I say, it's just going to be short term. I think what I'm going to do for now to hold my pipe up, I'm going to take this and I'm going to tack it right here to my cross member. They run my U-bolt up right through here. And then all I got to do is just kind of break it off, cut it off, and do a different exhaust. So that's what I did. I just tacked this up here, and I put that up there so my bolt threads wouldn't be sticking down and showing. So now I can put my U-bolt up like this. That'll go up through there like that, and then this will be on the bottom and look a little neater. Like I say, it's just gonna be temporary anyway, so it needs a lot of paint. Hey, good morning, guys. It's Friday, October something, 11, 12, something like that. Took a Friday off of work, just get some stuff done around the house. And I'm not sure where I left off in my last video, but I was still working on the exhaust here. You know, I'm wanting to put a temporary muffler on it. I got his pipe cut and pieced up where to run through this dip in my cross member. And I tacked me my clamp here, and I've tightened that up. I got clearance up above there, you can see. So went to Advance this morning. Advance Auto Parts got me some pieces, another clamp. So we're going to see if we can get the muffler. See if we can get the muffler on this thing today. Lights are on. That'll be good. It's nice and tight. So come back here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here. Like I said, I'm just gonna put a muffler back in here somewhere. That'll be fine for what I'm gonna do running around town and stuff. I got ordered this muffler here. It's just a cheap off of eBay. I think it was $25 free shipping. I mean, you can't beat that. That's pretty cheap. This is gonna go, like I say, right here. Right in here. Something like that. Then I'm going to put a hanger down from over here. Got this. Also got this. Oh, ain't that sweet? So we're gonna do something like that. What do you think? That'll work. And if I want to, I can come back and run me a tailpipe on this thing out through there. Just give me a curved pipe, go over this and out. We might can do that later on. I'm gonna try to get in here and drill me a hole. Drill me a hole through there to bolt my hanger up to. Oh man. Ow. Pinched my thumb when I drilled today. Woo. That hurt. That hurt. Oh man. Holy moly. That hurt. Oh. Really work through the pain though. Work through the pain, man. Hard to see. Letting in my thumb. Let's see what we got here. So right here's where I drill me a hole, and I'm gonna run this hanger there and bolt to that. You know, I could have got in here with my welder and welded that iron, but I guess, you know, I want to show that you can do a lot of this stuff. You don't have to have a welder. I mean, everything I did here, I mean, it's nice to weld this, but you could have cut that with a cutoff wheel and bring that back. You could have put it's a 2.5, 2.25 to 2.25 pipe coupler right here and clamp that. You know, I could have put a little hanger here, drilled in this. So you don't have to have a welder for none of this stuff. It just comes in handy. So that wasn't such a bad project. Like I say, just temporary muffler. I just use clamps because all this is probably going to come back apart. My little hanger here barely is long enough for that. So let's set it down on the ground. See if we got any bad muffler leaks. I'm really happy with my old Catalina. Of course, it don't take much to make me happy. An old 65 Pontiac Catalina, 389 with 2 barrel, with a rough body, and a good working transmission. It don't take much to make me happy. This, you know, I didn't give much at all for this car, but for people that's on a, you know, tight budget, for me, this is perfect. You can buy an old car and spend a little bit of money on it. I mean, a little bit of money, and have a good time. Go to some car shows.